You're gonna love the 2021 Subaru Forester. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Relax and enjoy the ride in this comfortable, capable Forester. Its advanced safety tech, infotainment, and all-weather capability make it as sensible as it is pleasant to drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, panoramic roof, keyless entry, paddle shifters, backup camera, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, power liftgate, aluminum wheels. Make the most of your outdoor lifestyle in this capable Forester. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.